Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome back to our channel and I'm going to cook something very interesting today. Nifty ने वो आज से पहले कभी नहीं खाया है. You'll see in 2-3 seconds what it is, and if you're a vegetarian you might like this recipe. Non-veg भी include कर सकते हैं. So let's see. Today we are making some oats. For that you might need 1/4 cup of oats. I'm using 1/4 because उसने पहले कभी खाया नहीं है, so I don't know if she's gonna like it or not. Some peas, French beans and carrot. I have boiled some chicken in the morning, but if you're a vegetarian you can totally skip chicken or add some paneer or something according to your choices. I am also using some broccoli and sweet potato. ये मैंने steam करके already रख दिया है. And now all you have to do is make some oats. Now if you have taken 1/4 cup of oats, you might need half a cup of water, मतलब उसका double, to let that cook, and then we'll add some veggies. That is half cup of water and I'll add some oats to it. Vegetables भी अभी डाल देते हैं because you have to let that cook too. जब तक वो कुक हो रहा है, लेट्स गो बैक टू निफ्टू. निफ्टू, अरे निफ्टू carrot. Niftoo likes having carrot a lot. दो तीन मिनट हो गए हैं. इट इज़ ऑलमोस्ट रेडी. जस्ट अ मिनट और 2 मोर. आई फील थिक तो काफ़ी हो गया है. एंड माइंडेड यू हैव टू कुक इट इन लाइक अ वेरी स्लो टू मीडियम फ्लेम, नॉट हाई. आई थिंक ये बन तो गया है. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ ओट्स पर्सन, सो आई डोंट ईट इट माई सेल्फ. गैस बंद कर देते हैं. So this is Nifty's bowl. I'll leave the link in the description. गंदा है, धोना पड़ेगा. All clean and ready to go. अभी ओट्स तो गरम है. I'll remove some of it in her bowl. Steamed already, and I'll just shred some chicken and add it into it now. मैंने chicken add कर दिया and someone is already waiting for her food. निफ्टू, टेस्टू खाएंगे? आज कुछ न्यू है. चलो आज कम we'll go. Come. निफ्टू, टेस्टू. Niftu, are you ready? Come. Stay Nifty. Stay. No. सुनती ही नहीं है. Niftu, how's it? How's it? Tasty? ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश्ड. अरे इतना क्यों बचा है अभी? पूरा ही खा लेते सोनू. But yeah, comparatively her bowl is empty. As you can see, just a little is left and that's fine. Most of it is completed and I think she liked it. Niftu, कैसा लगा आपको? Niftu, tasty था? No, I think she liked it a lot and you guys can give this a try. Okay, so before ending this video, I know you might have a lot of questions going on. Is oats healthy? Can we give oats to dogs? When to give? What to give? I have it all. So yes, oats is very much healthy and fine to give it to your dogs, not on regular basis because oats is a very high calorie meal, so you can't feed oats to your dog every day, and you have to keep in mind the proportion, the size of oats you feed to your dogs. You can't just overdo it. Nifty is a small dog. She weighs approximately 6.5 kgs and according to her 1/4 cup was also a lot. I googled it later, I realized it later, but मैंने उसको पूरा 1/4 cup नहीं दिया. If you must have seen in the video, I gave it like a little part of it just to see if she likes it or not, and the rest of it I might just feed it to some stray dogs or I'll give it to her next day. So yes, oats are fine and keep in mind the proportion that you feed. According to Google, it says every 20 pounds of your dog is given 1 tablespoon of oats. So if your dog is suppose 40 pounds, you can give 2 tablespoons of oats to him or her. And yes, you can add some vegetables. As you can see, add chicken, broccoli, sweet potatoes, whatever you like, whatever your dog is comfortable with. And पहले starting में थोड़ा सा ही बनाना, just to see if your dog likes it or not. Not necessarily all dogs might like eating oats, and as I mentioned, oats cannot be given every day. So the day you give oats to your dog, keep the other 2 meals a little light, like evening में egg दे दो या थोड़े treats दे दो, like homemade treats or whatever. Just keep it light, don't overdo. And rice उस दिन बिल्कुल भी मत देना because oats, as I mentioned, is already very high in calorie. ऊपर से rice भी हो जाएगा, so it's just a lot for them. It might cause vomiting, diarrhea and all those stomach problems. So keep it light that day and starting में थोड़ा सा देना. Secondly, what type of oats can you give? Whole wheat oats दे सकते हैं, unflavored, कोई salt नहीं, कोई मसाला नहीं, nothing. Just normal oats. You boil it, you cook it with some vegetables and that's it. Nothing else, not more than that. And yeah, if you have anything else to ask, comment करके बताओ and I will surely answer. I'll try coming up with some more recipes, or else you can check me out on Instagram. I mean Nifty on Instagram. I've shared some recipes before and I think you might like it. Till then, bye.